Hi, welcome to Let's Learn Wise. In this video, let's try to understand the concept of AI in a very simplified way. So, whatever technology that we have now were once upon inspired from the nature. As a result, we have aeroplanes and drones inspired from the bird, solar panel technologies inspired from the photosynthesis, cool architecture and water repellent technologies from lotus, helicopters from dragonfly. These are all only the very few examples that we are talking about now. And if we take our technology in a bit more advanced, that means we are trying to mimic the nature. We have a robotic dog, we have a robotic butterfly, as well as we have a humanoid as an advanced technology. These are all the advancements that we can physically see and feel. If we go little further in our technological advancements, as we advance a little further and try to explore and develop human brain capabilities, then we are talking about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has many more applications than we have ever imagined. Let us explore in a bit detail. Let's say we have a human brain and we have five sense organs through which we fetch different kinds of data and processing in our brain to produce necessary actions. If we apply the same with an artificial brain, we have input devices like camera, microphone, and sensors to fetch different data, and we process the data with certain intelligence called AI to generate the necessary outputs. It can be a mechanical actions, any prediction, or simply responding to your queries. If you want your AI to see the environment, we call it as a computer vision and frame it under deep learning. If you want your AI to listen and speak, for example, speech recognition, we frame it as natural language processing. Let's say you wanted to remember something, like what you ate yesterday for dinner. Quite challenging, right? So these type of problems can be solved in time series analysis, for which we use recurrent neural networks. And finally, if you want to develop a humanoid robot or any sort of robot, then we can categorize that learning into reinforcement learning. Now, you might have been wondering where is the term machine learning is. Let me keep it simple. We have an AI. Machine learning is a subdomain of AI. Deep learning is a subdomain of machine learning in which CNN is used for computer vision, RNN and LSTM for time series analysis. Another subdomain is natural language processing, in which we deal with voice and text related data. And finally, another interesting subdomain in machine learning is reinforcement learning, which has many more applications in robotics. So if I frame the entire video in a single image, this is how it looks. We have a huge field called AI. In that, we have a subfield called machine learning, in which it is further classified into deep learning, reinforcement learning, and natural language processing. I hope you are all clear with the basics of what is an AI. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel for more simplified AI videos coming in the future.